Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious tomato soup for your 2-year-old. First, let's talk about the ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of ripe tomatoes, a small onion, and 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. For the liquid, use 2 to 4 cups of low-sodium chicken or vegetable broth. A tablespoon of olive oil and a few fresh basil leaves will complete your ingredient list. Now let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a pot over medium heat. Sauté the chopped onion and minced garlic until they are soft and translucent, which takes about 5 minutes. Next, add your chopped tomatoes and the broth. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then cover and cook for 20 to 30 minutes until the tomatoes are very soft. Finally, blend the soup until it's smooth and strain it for a perfectly silky texture. Once your soup is blended, it's time to perfect the flavor for your little one. Season it very lightly with just a pinch of salt and a tiny dash of black pepper. To add a lovely richness and make it even creamier, stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons of heavy cream or whole milk. Always taste a small amount to ensure it's just right. Serve the soup warm, not hot, in a small, child-friendly bowl, perhaps with some soft bread for dipping. For storage, any leftover tomato soup can be kept in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. It also freezes beautifully. Portion it into small, freezer-safe containers or bags, and it will last for up to 1 month, making future meal times a breeze. When reheating, do so gently on the stovetop. And for more great deals, including those leak-proof containers, check out the description below. Enjoy this wholesome and delicious soup with your toddler.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.